Hey guys, and welcome to Tia TV. Today I am doing a fluffy natural eyebrow using MAC's Stud Brow Sculpting Pencil. This is just one of their pencils they have. It's the thicker one, so it doesn't give you defined lines. It's more for somebody who has a fuller eyebrow. So what you're watching now is just me working the brow pencil in. I've already defined the tip of my eyebrow. That's why I don't have a lot of hair there. If you can see, I'm just going back over that, working it in, working it in. I love this pencil because it's wax based, so being that I have hair, it just holds everything in place. Now that that's done, you see me working in the MAC concealer. It is the Mineralize Concealer in NW45. I like this concealer because it's more of a natural finish, not so full and cakey as far as coverage goes. It's very close to my skin color. I don't like to use a lighter concealer color. I just like my brows to look really, really natural. Altogether, my makeup to look really, really natural. I'm just blending that in so it's seamless and that you can't see it. I use the concealer just to give myself a more polished look. So now I'm just working the brow wax in again, just defining the end, defining the top of the brow and the front of the brow. And voila, we're all done. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram at Tia Copeland. See you later.